breathe with no air. Can't live, can't breathe with no air. It's how I feel.
And then, ready?
Oh my God.
Okay. Oh my God, this is terrible.
Yes. All right, Miss Brianna, you can stop. All right. Bless you. Okay, so you're going to carefully remove the blue cap off your valve, but make sure you don't waste the liquid that's on the inside.
Oh my God, I'm dying. Ah. Oh.
Gotta get a, there we go. 15, 14, 13, 12.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay. Alright. Bless you. Alright, so we'll try the other side, okay?
Alright, let's try again.
Yeah, as long as we get one side at least 15 seconds, we're good. You okay?
Uh-huh.
Alright, honey, we gotta get a good pass this way. There we
So sorry.
13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna push it a little further.
Oh.
Good. Okay?
Am I good? I'm gonna sneeze. Oh, fuck.
Maybe a tad more. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay.
Oh. I just keep going? Yep.
I'm gonna sneeze.
My nose burns.
She was right! Okay.
My eyes are wandering.
Sorry. Oh my God. Alright.
Lil Nick's back to your daughter.
I mean, I'm fucking scared.
I'll be on the block.
I wanted to fucking go to China when I was older, but no, fuck that.
Sorry.
Corona, oh.
You can put the face mask to cover your...
Oh my God. Oh God. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh my God, okay. With the same swab? Okay. Oh my god. That's so dirty. Ow. Okay. No, other way, cat. Other way, cat. Yeah. Oh my god, you're not even. She just sneezed direct. She's laughing at you. Tears, literal tears. Tears. More tears. Oh my god.
Hey guys, so I recently went on a trip and I wanted to get tested for COVID and I didn't realize how uncomfortable it would be. So the lady's shoving down the Q-tip up my nose, my eyes are watering and I just could not stop sneezing. And then I sneezed some more. It was literally the worst sneeze attack of my life. I literally had to turn up the window. And then I sneezed some more.
Okay.
Yep, that's normal. That means you're doing it right.
Oh my god.
Alright, you can stop. Alright, so then go ahead and take her out.
I just stick it.
Hold on. 15 seconds is up for that side. Okay. And that was pretty intense session.
Thank you.
You're fine.
Okay. Am I good?
Oh, there it goes. Okay, there it goes. Now turn it 3 times gentle. There you go. Keep it in there if you can.
Oh my goodness, okay.
It makes you do that.
Camera's gonna fall down.
Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. Am I far up enough?
Let me see your fingers. Yep. Have you turned it yet, Bob?
Okay, now I'm turning.
Turn 3 times.
Okay.
Gentle turns.
I'm laughing. Okay.
Well, at least you're laughing about it.
Okay. Oh my word. Okay.
Okay.
I've twisted it around a lot.
All right. Go by the nostril.
Okay. Oh.
Out